This procedure is used to repair minor damage to circuit baseboard materials. This procedure may be used when the damage extends deep into the base material, but not completely through. If the baseboard material is damaged completely through, see procedure number 3.5.2 or 3.5.3. Surface circuits may need to be replaced in the damaged area. Be sure that the appropriate circuit diagrams or photographs reflecting the original circuits are available so that they may be replaced after repairing the baseboard material. Damage to internal circuits or ground planes may have to be restored using surface wires. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is advanced. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. To complete this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials.
Alcohol swabs. These are self-saturating disposable foam swabs filled with isopropyl alcohol. They're ideal for removing flux residue and cleaning surfaces prior to soldering, coating, and application of epoxy. Ball mills. Ball mills can be used in a manually operated tool grip or powered microdrill. They are carbide tipped for long life and make drilling damage plated through holes and grinding away damaged baseboard material a snap. Cleaner. A general-purpose solvent for manually removing fluxes and contamination. Cleaning brushes. These disposable brushes are primarily used with solvents for cleaning. Color agents. Color agents are used to tint the color of epoxy used for solder mask repair or circuit baseboard repair. Color agents can also be applied directly to a circuit board surface for color matching. Epoxy. The best epoxy for circuit board work is clear with low viscosity and super strength. The epoxy shown is precisely measured into 2-compartment plastic packages, so it's easy to use and there's no measuring. Foam swabs. These disposable swabs are ideal for absorbing cleaning solvents and for applying color agents and epoxies. High-temperature tape discs. These high-temperature tape discs are made of polyamide film with a silicone adhesive that will not leave a residue when removed. They come in a variety of sizes and are used for a wide range of applications, including temporarily holding small items in position. Knife. This is a must-have tool used for precise cutting, scraping, and trimming. Micro drill system. Versatile power tool for milling, drilling, grinding, cutting, and sanding circuit boards. Microscope. It's a challenge to undertake precision repair and rework without a good microscope. Oven. A general-purpose oven for drying, baking, and curing. Scraper. The scraper has a hardened stainless steel tip for scraping solder mask and removing contamination and other surface defects. Wipes. Non-abrasive, low-linting wipes for cleanup. The procedure follows. Step 1. Clean the damaged area. Step 2. Scrape away the damaged baseboard material using a knife or scraper. All the damaged baseboard material and solder mask must be removed at the surface. Alternatively, you can mill away the damaged baseboard material using a microdrill system and ball mill. All the damaged baseboard material and solder mask must be removed. To clearly see that all the damaged material has been removed, flood the area with alcohol or solvent. Damaged internal fibers of the base material will show up clearly. Step 3. Remove all loose material and clean the area. Step 4. Where needed, apply high-temperature tape to protect exposed parts of the circuit board. The circuit board may be preheated prior to filling the area with epoxy. A preheated circuit board will allow the epoxy to easily flow and level out. Epoxy applied to an unheated circuit board may settle below the circuit board surface as the epoxy cures. Step 5. Mix the epoxy. If desired, add color agent to the mixed epoxy to match the circuit board color. Step 6. Fill the area with epoxy up to and flush with the circuit board surface. No fibers or laminate material should be exposed. A mixing stick may be used to apply and spread the epoxy. For large areas, apply the epoxy with a foam swab to create a texture in the surface. A slight overfill of epoxy may be desired to allow for shrinkage when the epoxy cures. Step 7. Cure the epoxy per the manufacturer's recommendation. Step 8. After the epoxy has cured, remove the high-temperature tape. Step 9. If needed, use a knife or scraper and scrape off any excess epoxy. Scrape until the new epoxy surface is level with the surrounding circuit board surface. Step 10. Remove all loose material and clean the area. If needed, apply an additional thin coating to seal any scraped areas.
If you need further help and prefer to send your circuit boards out for repair or rework, contact Circuit Technology Center. If you wish to purchase the tools and materials needed to complete this procedure at your facility, contact Circuit Medic.